This is VGS1 minus VTH, or we can say this V overdrive. V overdrive 2, V overdrive 3. This term, what we call this term is overdrive voltage. Overdrive voltage or effective voltage. V effective or this term is, so this is valid up to VGS only. After this, in reality, depending upon the derivation, this will go like this. But in reality, this is constant. This is constant. So our current increases up to overdrive, then it will become constant. So we want y parameter to be constant. What we want y parameter to be constant. And by y parameter we mean the slope of this characteristic. By y parameter what we mean? Slope of this characteristic. So slope of this characteristic is constant in this region. After VDS greater than V overdrive, the slope is constant. And for this deep triad is also constant, but it is not important. Only this region is useful for transistor application. So from this we come to a conclusion. Only we can use our MOSFET as an amplifier, but only for this reason, VDS greater than V overdrive, then only we can use. And this region of operation is called, saturation, and this is called linear or triode. That linear and that linear of control system is different. Don't confuse. Okay, this is completely different. This is the name of the region. For naming only it is linear. But actually, this is our useful for our amplifier application. Okay. Now, IDS, we are having this equation now. Again, we will change this equation for. We will find out the value for. What we do? Again, we will change this equation now. IDS equal to mu n C of W by L V overdrive VDS minus VDS square by 2. This is valid for VDS less than V overdrive. VDS less than V overdrive. But after this our maximum will reach. So we will put VDS equal to V overdrive. In this equation what we will put? And we will recalculate its value. So IDS comes to be half mu n C of W by L V overdrive square. This is IDS max. This is IDS max. And this equation is valid for
VDS greater than
or
equal to
V overdrive. So from this discussion, one thing is very clear. To use this amplifier, we need always to maintain a DC voltage greater than overdrive. Here we need to maintain. If we are not maintaining this overdrive, we cannot use our transistor as an amplifier. So now this is having IDS max, and this equation I2 as a function of V1. From this equation, what we talk about in that biparameter matrix, we will draw transfer. We will draw transfer characteristics. We will draw transfer characteristics using this equation. But what is the limitation? This voltage need to be maintained. From this equation we will not, because it will not act as an amplifier. We only need for amplifier purpose only. With this condition on, then only this is is valid, and therefore this only we will. So again, this equation is also parabola, but this parabola and this parabola is different. This is negative parabolic, this is positive. So this will change. You already studied this in your 12th class maths. Okay, how y equal to x square curve and y equal to x minus x square comes looks like. This is not need to be revised. This is all curves, parabolic curve you studied. So this is a curve. So this is a curve. This curve will look like this. Here is BTH. Okay. This will be the curve between IGS versus BGS. This is called the transfer characteristics. Okay. Now the problem again. What we want? The slope to be constant. We want y parameter for a linear, for LTI system. We want y parameter. For y parameter LTI system, it should be constant. And y parameter is nothing but the slope of this characteristics. This slope should be constant, but again it is not constant. Then what we will do?
Part of it.
We will assume a VGS Q. We will assume a VGS Q. Yet we are giving a VGS Q. That we are operating at this voltage only, and we will check the curve at this point only. What we will check? We will check the curve for this point only, and we will take. Okay, and this GM is called. We will assume this GM is a variable, but we will assume that GM to be a constant. Why we are assuming? For small signal. For small signal. Suppose a car, there is a car driving through a curvy road. A car is driving through a curvy road. So for the car, the road seems to be curved, but at the same time, a mouse is walking on the road. So for the mouse, the road should be a straight line, because it is walking on a small part of the curve. So this curve seems to be a straight line for the mouse. Okay. So as far as our signal is small, we can assume this to be small. Okay, and this limitation will be governed by this. This will be our magnitude of the small. How much small we can give? This will not. Our signal will not go beyond this. Our signal will not go beyond this. Okay. So how? So now we see how transistor is amplified, how transconductance is working. We are applying a VGS now. It is converting a small variation in VGS into a large variation in current. If GM is high, this will be also very high. We want good GM. Clear? So how it is converting, it is clear now? How? So now here from this we come to know, we also need here, similar to here, we need to maintain V2 always greater than equal to V over time. V2 should be VDS, V2 equal to VDS should be always greater than V over time. What condition for the amplifier? Other condition for the amplifier from this term is see, there will be two VGS, not one VGS. One DC and one AC. One DC and one AC in series. Why in series? Why not parallel? Why in series only? In this subject, na everything is very puzzling. If you are using in series, then you must know why you are using series. You should be very clear. Else, in upcoming units, na you will be very confused. Fundamental need to be very strong. You are using series. Why? We need to sum this up. We need to apply a signal like this. Then only this will add up. Na in series, this voltage will add up. If we make them in parallel, this will not add up. So here we want a VGSQ and we will apply a V input. And this V input, we will, this is the notation for this V input, this is like this VTS. This is like small VGS we use, subscript. Write down, note this important point. Don't confuse, this VGS is not equal to this V capital GS. They are different. For AC signal we use small subscript. Here also we will get two signal. At the output also we will get two signal. VDS and V small ds. That was our AC part. Small ds was our AC part.
पास पास